We guide you through how to get verified in your Wise account quickly and avoid common mistakes that can delay the process. First thing you need to do is to open your Wise app or go to wise.com and log into your account. If you're a new, you should sign up using your legal name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID because mismatched details are one of the main reasons verification fails. Next, go to the profile or account section and tap on verify your identity. Wise will ask you to upload a clear photo of a valid ID such as passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure all corners are visible. The text is readable and there's no glare or blur. After that, you may be required to take a quick selfie or record a short video so Wise can confirm that you are the real owner of the document. Do this in a well lit area and remove hats or glasses for better recognition. Some users will also need to submit proof of address like a bank statement or utility bill dated within the last 3 months, so double check that your name and address match your Wise profile exactly. Once everything is uploaded, submit your documents and wait for the confirmation email verification. It usually takes a few hours but can take up to couple of days if additional checks are needed. If your verification is rejected, don't panic. Simply review the reason, re upload clear documents, and try again.